Last winter the power went out for 3 days and the temperatures were in the single digits. I couldn't find a generator, so I had to find some way to heat my house so that my pipes wouldn't burst. So in this video I'm going to tell you how I managed to heat my house with my car. Now before I get into it, I just want to say that I have gas heat, which takes less power to run than electric heat. So if your house has an electric heat pump, this method isn't going to work for you. But what I have here is a 2000 watt power inverter, and this isn't the one that I would recommend you buy. I'll get into that a little bit more in a minute. But if you don't know what a power inverter is, you plug one end into your car battery, and then the other side AC power comes out, so you can plug anything into it like you normally would inside of your house. Now the two reasons I wouldn't buy this one. First, 2000 watts is more than you need. For a gas furnace, 1000 to 1200 is plenty. And two, this is a modified sine wave inverter, which a lot of modern technology can't really be powered with a modified sine wave. So if you're in the market for an inverter, just don't even bother with the modified. Just go right for pure sine wave inverters. But so the way this works is that you hook this end up to your car battery with jumper cables and then turn the car on. And then that'll power the other side so that you can plug the extension cord in and run it to your furnace, and then you can heat your house. Now keep in mind that this isn't going to heat it all the way back up to the normal comfort temperature that you're used to. This is mainly just to keep it high enough so that your pipes don't freeze. Because that's the big concern in the winter when the power goes out, is that your pipes will freeze and then they'll burst. And then you have more problems. So some things to keep in mind with this is when you hook up the jumper cables, you want the shortest jumper cables you can find, because the longer the jumper cable, the more power loss there's going to be from the battery to the inverter. And then when you get the extension cord, this here is a 100-foot extension cord, and it uses the thickest gauge that I could find. So I would recommend getting a thicker gauge extension cord. So this is something that worked for me. I was in a pinch and it got the job done. I managed to get through that cold spell without any burst pipes. So, this isn't something that people might think of immediately when the power goes out. So I just wanted to put the idea out there, and I hope it helps you. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.